Orlando Pirates, the Bucks have been busy signing New Zealand international Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch plus Daniel Msendami and Pochabatsane from Marumo Gallants. Players who have left, it is Munapule Saleng who has officially joined Mamelodi Sundowns, and Sofazo Mabaso has moved to Stellenbosch on loan. Sifiso Luthuli and Siyabonga Ndlozi were loaned to Magesi FC this week. Sekhukhune United, in terms of the players that have come in, they've signed Ivorian winger Tidiane Diamande from Stade Abidjan to replace the outgoing pace. Then Sekhukhune United out players loaned Ronald Marman and Sphiwe Mahlangu to Durban City. Then let us